Let's now see about what is not recommended in a report. We knew what is recommended, we studied it in the previous steps, and now we need to move on to what is not recommended in the report. The first thing is descriptive writing and colorful language. Don't tell me our marketing strategy is actually stunning or gorgeous or amazing. Who cares if it's amazing? We need the words like effective, influential, substantially increase in something. So we need words that denotes like academic proofs for the effectiveness of the strategies or effectiveness of what we are talking about. Idioms. Of course, don't put idioms in your report or in any academic writing. Don't tell me like it went through the roof or make our competitors shake in their boots. No, these things are very, very informal way to say things. Phrasal verbs. Also avoid using phrasal verbs like take off or cut down or maybe things like this. It will not be like much of a useful expressing way of your ideas. Rather, try to choose more academic words, separate ones that denotes or that expresses what you want to say. Contractions. We have, it has been said, I'm now or I'm currently, or maybe company has made it. The company has made something. Avoid using contractions. And contractions mean when you put we and have together, or maybe it is, or maybe I am. And instead of saying them like the formal way I have just said, no, you contract them like we have, it is, or am, or his, or there is. No, don't use these contractions. Try to separate the words as much as you can because it's wrong to write not in a separate. It's wrong to write contractions or shorten the words or link the words together while you are writing. The last one we have here is giving personal opinions. Like I think, in my point of view, in my opinion, or I guess, no, you don't, you're not allowed to talk from a personal point of view during writing as much as you are recommended to write based on factual analysis or factual data. So tell me like based on our data analysis, this and this happen. But don't tell me from my point of view.